Hello, and thank you for joining us for another interview about the Vale Heroes, which is a grant we've given to community groups and organisations to help during COVID-19. I'm Rhys from the Creative Rural Communities team at the Vale Heroes Council, and I'm joined by Scott Tandy from Newydd Housing. Hello, Scott.
Hi everyone.
Scott, I just wonder if you could tell us a bit about Newydd Housing and the project you've been running.
Yeah, of course. So as you mentioned, my name's Scott Tandy. I work for Newydd Housing and lead on digital inclusion. So Newydd Housing offers, I believe, around 3,000 affordable homes for rent and sale to people where the need is the greatest in Mid and South Wales. And as for the project, I believe it started, if I can take you back to late 2018, myself and a number of partners, including the Vale Council, Vale Library Service, Vale Homes, Digital Communities Wales, secured funding from yourselves, Creative Rural Communities, along with additional funds from, I believe it was WK Plasterers and Hale Construction through community benefits. And the idea was to pilot the project to test how efficient, effective, and value for money borrowing Wi-Fi enabled tablets out to the general public through the libraries. In short, if I could just say, we envisioned basically our service users to have the ability to borrow a tablet just like they would go into the library and borrow a book.
Yeah.
So since we started, the project's shown quite positive results. The participants have said they felt more confident in accessing the internet, gained better understanding of how to keep themselves safe online, was able to navigate around and use the tablets to its full efficiency, and along with that, use the internet to its best ability. And in general, just report a positive impact on their life, which has been amazing for the project. If we could fast forward in time to prior COVID, we kind of tailored the project a bit more then. We felt it'd be of great benefit to actively target those people who were looking to self-isolate or shield.
Yeah.
And then we used the Vale Heroes Grant to secure additional funding for more devices and internet data to strengthen the offering that we currently have across the Vale of Glamorgan.
So what then has been the impact of that Vale Heroes funding for you?
Well, it's given us, like I said, direct access to those people that need it the most. If I can just give you an example, we borrowed a device to a tenant in one of our sheltered schemes within Newydd Housing, and through borrowing the device, he was able to FaceTime his friends and family, which in a time where family cannot visit him, is a lifeline, if I'm honest. And having had conversations with him myself, I know he's also downloaded Spotify and listens to music. And he's also downloaded a number of other apps which he's taught himself to use.
Yeah.
Again, this is a guy that never used a tablet before. So I can't imagine how empowering it is for him to do all this on his own. So it's been very exciting, to be honest.
Excellent. Scott, that's terrific. And we just want to say, Newydd Housing, you're a Vale hero.
Oh, thank you.